Okay guys, this will be my very first unboxing video. This is our very first waterproof camera too. And my daughter Elizabeth's going to help me open it. Go ahead. We haven't opened this yet.
There's tape.
Butter knife.
A regular knife would work better. Like I said, a regular knife would work better, Dad. Come on. This is so safe. I can just hear parents out there, no, that's not the way you do it. Oh. Okay. Instruction booklet 1. Instruction booklet 2.
Time to add the dramatic voice
3.
music with this.
Dun dun dun.
Boom,
User
boom,
manual.
boom.
Instruction usual. Instructions 4.
Okay.
Warranty card. Register your product.
Hold on, let's turn the box around so they can see inside the box.
Here's a USB cord. A thingy. Another thingy. It's so technical.
And the camera.
The camera.
Kind of opened up down.
I'm opening it. Camera with stuff.
Alright guys, I'm going to lay out all the pieces that came with it and put it on the table and get that too.
Oh wait, this is a sticker and it comes off.
Alright, basically that's what it is guys. You got the camera strap, the chargers, and that's really it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge this up and we'll see how this thing videotapes, okay?
Can we send it back if we don't like it?
Yes, we definitely can. So, the next thing you see will be this camera video and not this one. I think my first unboxing stunk. Alright guys, this is practice video number 2. I did the first one, I changed the quality settings, and yeah, let's see how this works. I ain't used to holding a little camera up like this. I've never used the little ones before. But I'm going to walk around, going to do a few things, see how well it picks up. I noticed earlier the zoom does work. I just got to figure out how to use it. There it is. Not too bad, I guess. No, not too bad. This would be perfect for what we got it for. Yeah, so if it ever rains or anything like that, this would be perfect for it. I ain't used to this. Actually, hold on. This is the camera here, the hand I usually use. I ain't used to this. I'm used to my camera. Alright. Well guys, this has been my unboxing video, and that's what this camera records in. Yeah.